So here's the red cabbage that we just chopped up and then boiled with just enough water, not too much, because you want it to be a nice concentrated indicator. Yeah, you don't want too much water in there. So just enough to cover the cabbage. Boil it for 20 minutes or so until it becomes a bit bleached like this color. And then you can use a sieve, a fine sieve, just to strain off all the organic material, and then you're left with a nice purple solution. Okay, so we've extracted our red cabbage juice and diluted it a bit so it looks a little bit less dark purple. It's more pinkish now than it originally was, but seems like it'll do the trick. And we've got it in 3 equal jars there. So first of all, let's try a little bit of lemon juice. Juice for drinking? No, probably not, baby. Okay, and we've also got a little bit of Clorox. Okay, that should have a fairly high pH, and let's see what happens to the color when we do that. Oh, it's gone yellow. All right. Okay, so you've got the 3 colors there. There is a blue at some point as well. I can't remember exactly what pH that is. I'm going to try some apple cider vinegar as well, which I'm guessing will go red, a bit like the lemon juice. But anyway, let's see. Yeah, a slightly different color of pinky red. Anyway, some interesting little experiments you can do at home with some red cabbage. As an add-on, I just looked up online, and apparently you can get a bluey green around pH 8 and 9. I think 9 is greenish and 8 is a kind of blue. So what I've decided to do is try and add, this one was, remember, the lemon juice, this one was the apple cider vinegar, and this one had the bleach added to it. So I'm going to try and mix them up and see if I can get, kind of in between pHs. You can see, looks like the bleach is winning out at the moment, decolorizing. Getting a bit of a permanent color there. No, it looks like it's just gone straight to pink there, hasn't it? There doesn't appear to be any in between green or blue. I'm just trying a little bit more. It's gone straight back to yellow. Let's try and add the apple cider vinegar instead, see if that makes any difference. Might be better to have a dropper. Oh, a little bit of spillage here. No. It's possible that this variant of the red cabbage doesn't have all the same colors in it, like the same dyes. And let's see if we get some changes with the original. I'm trying to get the green or the blue. A little bit more. I'm guessing it's going to go straight to the yellow. I suspect this Clorox is a little bit concentrated. It's completely going past the yellow, past the green and the blue. Come on, assistant. Yeah. Might have to look for a slightly less alkaline cleaning product. Okay, Clorox is probably a little bit too concentrated. Give it one less try. it just seems to go straight between the reddish and yellow. Anyway, worth a try. Okay, so we're back with a fresh batch of the red cabbage juice, still hot, piping hot, fresh from the saucepan. So let's just transfer it into each one of these little jars. And we've got three milder household cleaning products. We've got some scouring cream and a couple of types of window cleaner. So let's see. This one's a little bit white, so I'm hoping, and it's quite thick, it's a cream, so I'm hoping it doesn't, you know, completely change the color. Might have to wait for that one to settle a bit. At the moment it's still looking quite purple. Alright, so we got this. Still really quite purple. Perhaps they're not at all really basic, these guys. That one even open? Oh, this one. Maybe because it's got a bit of blue colour itself, though. That could be what's changing this. I suspect it is. You can see there's a bit of blue in there, but I'm wondering if it's not from this. That one appears to have remained largely the same colour, maybe just a bit dilute, a bit more dilute. And that one I think is just a mixture of the purple and the white cream. So not such good results there, but we keep going. We've still got a little bit more, so we'll see what we can do with that. So now we've got the last little bit of our red cabbage indicator, and we're going to use it on some random... More what? You want more experiments? Okay. Going to try it on some random liquids that we found around. Ones that ideally don't have too much colour to them themselves. I've got some Morpho apple juice. Let's see what happens here. I'm guessing maybe acidic, so red. Yeah, slightly acidic. Okay. You can see the red colour coming out there. Compared to the others, definitely a little bit more red. And some passion fruit, serious passion fruit. Also, I'm guessing probably slightly acidic. Yeah, even looks more so. Yeah, that's a lighter coloured red. It's turned it less purple and more red with the passion fruit. So it seems like the passion fruit is probably more acidic. And a little bit of dishwashing liquid, Sunlight's lemon based. So I'm guessing this is probably also going to be a bit acidic, but it might need to be stirred because the lemon should make it acidic. It might need to be mixed in a bit to get the result, because they're kind of immiscible. Water and dishwashing liquid, they don't mix too well unless you shake them up. And actually not getting much of a colour change at all here. So I'm guessing the lemon that's in there is somehow trapped within the kind of, you know, the thick viscous liquid. It's not so much in the aqueous layer. Anyway, all three of them looking acidic, and maybe the dishwashing liquid not very much of any change.